Hi guys, this is Unboxing Tech, and I'm here with a huge haul of Casetify cases and accessories for the Galaxy S24 in marble gray. So Casetify is a pretty well-known and fairly popular brand. They are most famous for their highly protective design cases. Typically, Casetify cases have a mix of standard TPU and 65% recycled materials along the sides with a hard polycarbonate back. Frankly, this is a super stiff case with very little give, and in terms of weight, it's pretty standard at almost 38 grams. It does require a little finessing to put onto the device, but here's how it looks. On the bottom, we have all the needed cutouts. The charging port cutout is especially big. Along the sides are these micro dot patterns to prevent the case from sticking to the device and creating a wet look. There's a lanyard hole up here so you can attach straps and accessories as needed. Here's the top. And on the right side are the covered buttons that are super clicky and easy to press. There is a lifted edge around the front screen. I do have a screen protector on, so with it, the raised edges do look and feel kinda short. And although there's a big old square cutout around the back camera, there's plenty of lift for that extra protection. Now, this is just a basic clear case, but Casetify is known for its plethora of unique and cute designs. So instead of the plain clear, you can go for one that's tinted in this deep purple, or mix it up with the clear end design like this chrome doodle, or go for an opaque design like this blue hydrangea look. It's just a flat image, by the way. Or go all out with the mirror case. Hello! Aside from just cases, Casetify also has screen protectors for the S24. This one is the Impact HD tempered glass screen protector with about a 5-foot drop protection. Inside, you get an installation kit and one glass screen protector with an installation tray. First, let's get our phone prepped for installation. We'll use the wet wipe to wipe off all the smudges from our screen. Then use the dry cloth to remove the excess moisture. Then use the dust sticker to pick up leftover dust pieces. Now, make sure the installation tray is in the correct position and place it very gently over the phone. There should be a flap at the bottom for you to grab and pull out. Next, follow the numbers on the tray to push down on the designated spots. Then just let it cook. Finally, very carefully pull off the tray from the phone, making sure not to take the screen protector with it. And here it is! Installation was painless, and the end result is so clean. It's pretty close to the edge all around, as you can see, but it leaves just enough room for you to fit on a case without any lifting. This is the gap with a case on. The glass also feels very high quality, and I can feel that distinct oleophobic coating on it. One thing to note is that Casetify screen protectors have their brand name directly on the top and bottom corners of the screen protector. It doesn't get in the way, but something you should know. Next, let's complete the protection with the camera lens protector. Camera protectors are a pretty polarizing topic for phone protection, but I personally like having one on. The Casetify camera protector has everything you need for installation, and it's painless to do. Same as the screen protector, use the wet wipe to clean off the camera lenses first. Then use the dry wipe to remove excess moisture. The dust sticker will pick up leftover specks of dust. Now, the camera lens protectors are individual covers, so they all come on this tray for easy installation. Just press it on like so, and give it a push all around to make sure it's really stuck on there. Then just remove the tray, and I like to give it one last push down just for safety's sake. And here it is! Just from looking at it, it's a bit taller than the other camera protectors I've used. I do like that it's clear, making it hard to tell if there's a protector on at all. I know one big worry for people regarding camera protectors is the drop in camera quality. In all honesty, I'm not a huge camera head, so it's hard for me to really tell the difference. But just from looking at it, I feel like there is no change in camera quality. Just in case, I tested out the flash, but there weren't any weird glares in the picture. Overall, unless it's very important to you, I think this is a fine product to use. And those are all the cases and accessories from Casetify for the Galaxy S24. You can find a link to Casetify in the description box. I hope this video was able to help you out in some way. For now, thanks for watching until the end. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!